Hi, this is Louis Perillo from Louis Perillo Inspections. I know many homeowners are struggling meeting their mortgage payments. Times are difficult. I see many vacant homes like the one shown here with overgrown lawns and no one there for quite a while. If you're in a situation where things are difficult for you in terms of making your mortgage payment and you're behind, there is a process known as a short sale. And I wanted to bring to you attorney Andrew Lyons to provide some information for you as a homeowner and about the short sale process.
Hello, my name is Andy Lyons. I'm an attorney with the Lyons Law Group. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about foreclosures and short sales. The central question probably on your mind is, how do I get myself out of this situation? This is a bad situation. I owe more on my home than it is worth. What do I do, and what can be the effect to me? Well, I'd like to start with the foreclosure process, the worst first. Essentially, in a foreclosure, I don't pay my mortgage, and in about 3 or 4 months the bank will file a foreclosure complaint against me. Once I get served, I have 20 days to do something. I have to file a response or get to an attorney to file a response, and it's important to try and stretch out that process as long as you can. A foreclosure judgment will affect your credit by dropping that score 200 to 300 points. And it can also result in a deficiency judgment against you for certain monies that may be owed. It's a situation, quite obviously, we want to avoid. There is also something called a short sale, and this can be a very good solution to a foreclosure problem. And here's how it works. Essentially, you list your home for sale with a realtor or a broker, or on your own, I suppose. The process begins where a buyer will come along and make an offer, and that offer will be for less than is owed. And then it will be up to the bank, essentially, to decide whether they want to accept that offer or not. Your part in this means that you've got to do a couple of things. And one of those is going to be creating a financial disclosure, disclosing your financial situation and why you're in such a bad financial situation. It's important to disclose that, as well as a hardship letter explaining why your financial situation is in the bad position that it's in and why you expect it to stay that way for some time into the future. Working with a realtor or a broker who understands this process, I think, is extremely important, because it really takes a team of people to make these short sales work. The realtor will get together the entire packet that's necessary from the loss mitigation department of the bank, and they'll work with a home inspector to do a home inspection, or an appraiser to do an appraisal. They'll bring in an attorney if necessary to explain certain processes or negotiate certain things as it may be necessary. It can be a very good solution because there is no effect to your credit at all from a short sale. So it is a solution, I think, that, given the right situation, can really help you get out of a bad situation. Thank you.
Andy services Pasco and Hernando counties. You can reach him at 375-8900. I'm sure he'd love to consult with you on a course of action or advice regarding short sale and your condition with your mortgage lender. And thank you very much for listening to our educational moment, and we'll have another one for you next month, and I hope you find these of value. Thank you very much.